method for today is basically something that will require absolutely no work from you at all. All you need to do is tap your mouse or phone a few times and cha-ching, money will literally just come in. What's great about today's method is that it's completely and absolutely free for one and for all. It's also worldwide available, so anyone and everyone can join in. It's also super beginner friendly because you won't need any skills or prior experience to join in, so everyone has the same chance and opportunity. No social media followers will be required of you, and no affiliate marketing will be done. If you're actually consistent and do everything according to what we teach you in today's video, then you're definitely going to be able to buy everything that you want and even more. Again, it's free and anyone from across the globe can join in and have a shot at this opportunity because that's how we want our methods to be all the time. As always, we're going to be dropping some amazing bonus tips and tricks to use this method to its fullest and to make the most amount of money possible. So if you don't want to miss any of that, then make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. To begin the whole process, go ahead and open up latium.org or latium.org, and we will be using this website to its advantage and make money from it by basically not exerting any effort whatsoever. As you can see, find your perfect freelancer in under 10 minutes. Now, what is Latium? Latium is a marketplace for freelancers and employers of the new gig economy. You can work or hire on Latium in 3 ways. You can purchase a service, find the perfect freelancer to complete your task, create a great working relationship, easily manage and communicate with each other. You can also receive bids, post and receive qualified bids, bid on unlimited projects, get the most out of Latium, and you can hire instantly. Freelancers access consistent work. Hire thousands of freelancers at once, and it's best for smaller projects. They have multiple service categories like graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, business, lifestyle, and a whole lot more, which is obviously great because that means there are a ton of options, which is exactly what we want. They also had additional products. Latium is not just another freelancing platform. We also provide additional products and services designed to help you earn more for your time, work more efficiently, and to facilitate payment as easy as possible. So that's basically a rundown of the webpage that you're currently seeing. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Now hover over Explore Projects, then you're going to be taken to this page where you're basically going to see all of the listings for the different projects on this website. It's so cool because if you look at all the prices being offered, it's absolutely huge, which is crazy. And it's also exciting at the same time because that's how much we're going to be making too. Now we want you to focus on graphics and design because that's where you're going to be making the most money. When you select on graphics and design, you're again going to see all of the projects under graphic and design. And for example, we're going to choose this project right here, and when you click on it, it will open up in a brand new tab where you will see more information about what this project will require of you and what it is. And you're going to then figure out what kind of logo is being asked, and make sure that you pay attention to the details so that when you're going to look for a logo to submit and to sell, you can get it right in their alley, and they might even leave a huge tip for you. You never know, and it's always best to do more than what is being asked from us. To be able to find the perfect ready-made logo, go ahead and open up freelogodesign.org. And this website basically gives people free logo designs or templates, and all under seconds. There's so many options for different kinds of logos that you might be looking for, which is always a good thing because the more options and choices there are, the better. Now, to get the perfect choice, you can actually search for the company name if they're registered. So just go back to Latium and just copy the company name and paste it on the search box on this website as well as its category. And then once you've done all of that, you're going to see a ton of logo examples, which is exactly what we want to see. And you're going to see a ton of designs, which is obviously great. You can choose whatever it is that you want to choose, and then you can edit it and customize it in the way that you want to. After that, you can easily download the final product straight into your computer and submit it to your client. Now, you can even make more than one design, especially because there's so much to choose from. And since you're not really doing much work anymore, just make more than one so your client will have options and they'll be glad to see the other options. And then they're just gonna have to choose among what you sent, and then you're gonna get paid. It's literally that easy. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. To sign up to Latium to officially begin, just click on join and then just go about the registration process like any other registration process. And then you can even go beyond creating logo designs. You can try everything that is on here, and freelogodesign.org will have everything that you will possibly need. So just make sure that you check and use free logo design, because that's the only way you'll get a free logo design made for you perfectly. While you're here, you can also go on to Fiverr.com, which is another great freelancing platform that can also make you a significant amount of money. And I mean, you guys already know how to sign up on this website, so we won't be taking you through that process anymore, but we just wanted to add it to our video really quick because you're never gonna go wrong with Fiverr. So make sure that you try this method out. Go on to Latium, go to freelogodesigns.org, really use it to your advantage. Try to really branch out to the different projects if you can, and then also branch out to Fiverr and extend your services there as well. And all by the power of freelogodesign.org, where you literally don't have to do anything. So make sure that you try this method out. Let us know how it goes in the comments down below. And that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.